Hello my dear friends, welcome to Fab You, that is finding a better you. I'm Snehal Mahajan, your life transformation coach, and today I'm going to tell you one principle that changed my life, and that principle is taking 100% responsibility of your life. When I learned about this principle, I was a little bit skeptical because I had few questions in my mind, like whether that principle will work for me, or will I be able to apply that principle successfully in my life. Can I tell you something? I was totally wrong. When I applied that principle in my life, I got amazing results, and the experience which I am experiencing right now is commendable. So that's why I want to share that principle with you all, so that you can also start applying that principle in your life and experience that commendable change in yourself. So let's see how this principle works and how you can apply it in your life. If you really want to be successful in your life, then you have to take responsibility for everything which you are experiencing in your life, which includes the level of achievement, your failure, your debt, your income, your relationship, your health, wealth, and everything. I know it's not easy to take responsibility for all these things. In fact, most of we are conditioned to blame outside world for the things which we don't like. We blame our parents, our teachers, our spouse, our children, our boss, our weather, economy, government, and what not. But we never realize where the real problem is, and the real problem is ourselves. No one else is responsible for the things which are happening in your life. The only person who is responsible for that is you. You are allowing the things to happen, and that's why you are living the life right now which you want to live. The life currently you are living is just because of the choices you have made in the past. That's why you are living this kind of life right now. If you want to change the outcome of your life, you always have two options. One option is that you can blame the event or situation which is not in your control, and that's why you are getting the outcome which is not you are liking. And the second option is that you can change the response till the time you get your correct outcome, because response is in your control. You can keep on changing the response till you get the desired outcome. Let me explain you this with an example so that it will get more clearer to you. What happened when we stuck in the traffic jam? It is not in our control, right? This event is not in our control. But still what we do? We start scolding people who are outside. We start scolding government. We start scolding road. The roads are bad. People don't have the sense of traffic and all those things, blah blah blah. But if in this situation, when you are reacting like this, what outcome you are getting? You are feeling frustrated, you are feeling angry, you are feeling helpless, right? But for the same situation, if you keep relaxed, you are in your car, you can listen a good music, you can watch nice video, comedy video on your mobile, or you can have chit chat with your spouse or with your children, they are sitting. So by doing this, you can just spend your time unnecessary, not wasting your energy on getting angry. And once the road is clear, you just can move away from there. So see how the response, when you responding in that way, what outcome you are getting? You are getting a positive outcome. You are feeling relaxed. You are feeling not you are not in anger. You are feeling relaxed and calm. So like this, it's up to you what options you can choose so that you can get the desired outcome. If you are choosing negative response, you will get negative outcome. If you are choosing positive response, you will get positive outcome. So it's up to you. And please stop giving your control in others' hands. Never give your remote control in others' hands so that you will feel more happy. No, my dear friends. Always keep your remote control in your hand. Otherwise, you will become a puppet in their hand. Because when they say sit, you will sit. When they say stand up, you will stand up. When they say now you are happy, you will feel happy. No, it's not like that. So don't give your remote control in others' hands. Keep that remote control with you so that you will design your life the way you want. One more thing is that when we complain about something, and knowingly and unknowingly in our day-to-day life we are keep complaining, we are keep blaming. And if you really want to do something good, you have to stop giving excuses. Take action. Now when we can say you are taking 100% responsibility of your life, when you will give up all your blamings, all your excuses and all your complaining. Most of the times we are complaining to wrong person. For example, we are complaining most of the time about our spouse to our boss. Will it really work? No. The boss know what your spouse is? No. Then why you are complaining about your spouse to your boss? Instead of that, go and speak to your spouse directly so that the problem gets solved and you will also feel better. So like this, so many things are there we are doing knowingly and unknowingly. We are just blaming people, we are just complaining about government and what not, and making all the time excuses, not taking action. So it's really important, if you want to take 100% responsibility of your life, you have to stop all these things. Then only it is possible for you. I know it's not easy, but with practice it is possible. It is not impossible, because I am a live example for that. There are several techniques, tools which will help you to apply this principle in your life. If you really want to apply this principle, you can connect with me so that I can help you to apply this principle in your life. I hope now you understand how you can apply this principle in your life and how it is really important to take 100% responsibility of your life so that you can live a happy and peaceful life without any guilt, without any negativity. It will really give you positive vibes whenever you apply this principle in your life. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also share it with your friends and family. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, please do subscribe it so that you can watch such more informative videos. And as I always say, everything starts with you, so just do it. See you in next video. Till that time, take care.